Hey, ain't you kind of boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Anyway, I know you guys see the thumbnail, so yes, I am making a video, you know what I'm saying, about Ermac right here, and I think you guys are going to enjoy this one, you know what I'm saying, especially if you see the thumbnail, so you see what's going on. So pretty much, I'm about to give you guys another insight on the product that I've used personally, and I actually took the time to use this product before I just jump on the internet and just blah blah shout it out, and I actually do like the product. It's another product made by Amor. And it is awesome, awesome. And here it is right here. It is the Amor Extreme Shield Ceramic Wheel Cleaner, okay? Now, what makes this wheel cleaner so unique is that it actually gives your rims ceramic coated look. It is temporary. It lasts up to about a month or so. So once every month, you know what I'm saying, you want to use it and you know, just keep that ceramic coat look, feel, and texture going. So pretty much, if you look at my wheels right now, you know, they're disgusting, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, everywhere, you know, real dirty. And it kind of works similar to what ceramic coating the paint on the car. You know, when you ceramic coat the paint on the car, you're actually giving it somewhat of a paint correction, but you're making the paint pop, you know what I'm saying? Because you ever washed a car or seen a car that even when you washed it and it's out in the sun, it doesn't have that shiny pop feel. It looks kind of dull, you know what I'm saying? Gives you that dull, and you kind of see like the swirls and stuff like that. Well, when you ceramic coat a car, you know what I'm saying, of course, you know, when you paint correct it, you're removing the detergent from the paint, so you're stripping the paint down to its finest form, and then pretty much you're building it back up. So it's almost like ceramic coating is almost like painting the car ×2. You know, you give it that pop from when it was first painted, you know what I'm saying? It brings it to life, and it adds a barrier of protection, that way your paint doesn't fade over time, you know what I'm saying? Keeps your paint pure. And it's pretty much what this Amor ceramic coat for the wheels is. It gets rid of the dirt, grime, and brake dust, of course, and it brings your wheel to its finest form. It brings that whatever color your wheels is, whether they're chrome, alloy, if they're painted like mine's are painted black, and it also has like a little paint, you know, black and red right there on the center cap. It's gonna strip it down to its finest form, and it's gonna give my wheels that pop. And not only that, it adds a shield, a barrier shield, and it actually protects it from grime, and it protects it from brake dust. I mean, real good on brake dust. I'm talking, I washed this thing, drove it for like 2 days, and checked my my wheels, no brake dust whatsoever. And no, I have the semi-metallic pads that come with the car when you first get it, so I haven't even did the ceramic switch over yet, which, you know, if you guys want to really help your car with brake dust, switch over to ceramic pads. But we'll be doing it on another video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this on the car, just kind of show you guys how it works, and let you look at my wheels now, and then after. I'm talking, man, the product works. You can find it at your nearest AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, any store that sells products, cleaning products for your cars will have it. I'm not sure if Family Dollar or Dollar General has it. You mostly have to go like to Walmart and a parts store to really find it, because it is a real good product. So pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the spray, move my wash bucket out the way, And also, you know what I'm saying, if you guys are washing y'all cars, make sure you get that Meguiar's Gold class, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So pretty much, like, my car is dry right now. So what I'm gonna do is, you see how the wheel is dirty, brake dust and stuff all on the calipers and everything. You're just gonna just put it in the inserts as well as on the outside. Just give it a light coat and just do all the wheels the same way. Get in there, especially in the back crevices where the brake dust and stuff really settles on the barrel back here. Yes, go over all the way around. Make sure you put a light coat on there. Just like that. So pretty much, you guys see I applied it. You want to let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes. And my car is dry right now. So I'm gonna let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes, and then, you know, usually, you know, you spray down your car with water before you even add the soap and the water to it. All right, you guys, so the Amor solution has set for like 3 minutes. And now, depending on how much you drive the car, and what type of brakes you have, which puts out more brake dust than others. So in my case, I kind of drive my car a little bit more than probably somebody else would. So you want to take you a little brush or something that you can get to real quick, and just want to rub that solution in, kind of just like that. Now, if it was a car that kind of sat a little bit more than you drove it, you can go straight to the water process. But since I know my car has a lot of brake dust, you just kind of want to get that stuff rubbed in, especially, you know, on the front face where it kind of shows that. And just go all the way around. Now, you guys, after washing the car with water and spraying the rims with the water, you're gonna put the soap in the car like normal and just do your normal hand wash like normal. Now, you look here. I know you guys looking at me like, oh man, I got soap on my wheels. Hey, when you hand wash your car, normally you will get soap on the wheels that'll just slide off the fender into the wheels. But guess what? This what makes the next step of the Amor ceramic coat the bomb. Check this out. You're gonna spray off your car and your wheels that got a little bit of soap on it as you were doing your normal little hand wash. But check this out. Once you free the wheel of the soap, all you gotta do is take the Amor ceramic coat again, and yes, the wheel is wet, and spray it again. And once you spray it again, especially with the water being on the rim, this is what's going to give it its final touch. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like adding clear coat to paint. Once you get a fine paint on there, then you go back and add the clear coat to shut it down. This is what this does right here. And then pretty much you're gonna just finish spraying your car down, getting the soap and water off and on the other wheels, and just spray the rest of the wheels while they're wet, and then go all the way around. You can see the brake dust along with the some of the solution coming off as you spray it. Okay, you guys, so at this point here, the last thing that you have to do is pretty much get your favorite tire shine, whoever you use, Meguiar's or whatever other brand you use, and you just spray your tire shine on first, you know, because you got to end up wiping anyway. You don't want to wipe twice. And then pretty much you're drying off the wheels right now and getting off any excess brake dust that might kind of be trapped behind that you couldn't really get, like behind the spokes and stuff like that. You'll be wiping that off. And pretty much your wheel will come out nice and clean. So let me finish wiping all these down in Amor, and I'll show you guys the end result. All right, you guys, so your boy's finished with Amor on the tires, as well as wiping down the wheels to make sure I got any excess grime or brake dust, as well as make sure I wiped off or dried off the wheel and make sure that the solution's set. And you guys, check this out. Look at this finish. I mean, I know it's not a whole bunch of sun out here, but look at this finish. Like, look. Like, I'm talking rubbing in there. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Look at that. I'm talking about the calipers is clean too. Now, I know y'all probably like, KT, you just washed it off, bro. It shouldn't be no dirt. But you know how many products I didn't use, and I'm pretty sure y'all have used it too. Or y'all washed the wheel. I'm talking about getting back here and it's still dirt on your fingers because it didn't dry it up by now. Look at that. Nothing. Awesome, you guys. And in just a few seconds, I'm also gonna drive around the block a little bit. And because usually, you know, if you hand wash your car, even if you had a car wash, by the time you turn off the lot and just go around the block and touch your wheels or just look at them, it'd be brake dust everywhere unless you got ceramic pads, you know what I'm saying? But I will say, what makes this product so unique, check this out, you guys. You know, now most of the time when you get cleaning products, you'll probably get something like Eagle One, maybe a basic Amor All, or you get some Black Magic or something like this. But this is the wheel cleaner, and then you have to spray out the wheel, wash it off, dry it off, then you have to come back and apply the repellent, you know what I'm saying? Which this is a good product too, but I'm gonna tell you why this one is better. And you have to add the repellent and then dry off the repellent. This right here, you guys, is a 2-in-1. This Amor All cleaner plus ceramic is both of these plus one in one bottle. The reason why, like I said, you have to use this product or any type of just wheel cleaner, spray it on the wheel, wash it off, dry it off. Then you have to add the repellent, which, like I said, this is a good repellent, but then you have to add a second bottle of repellent, put it on there, let it sit in, then dry it off. With this, it does it all in one. You spray this on there, it cleans the wheels, you know what I'm saying? And it's already adding a layer of ceramic. Then you spray this on here again, same bottle, and spray it on there, the boom, let it sit, dry it off, bam. That's simple. Pretty finish on the wheels. Look at that, you guys. Hey, I'm telling you, go pick up a bottle of Amor All. It's an orange bottle, easy spray nozzle to make it convenient. Go pick up a bottle of Amor All plus ceramic wheel cleaner, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and if you like it, make sure that you tag your boy in one of your posts or your videos. Let me know that you enjoy the product, you know what I'm saying? As well as, hey, tag Amor All. Let them see this video, you know what I'm saying? You can tag Amor All, I'ma tag Amor All. Y'all go tag Amor All, you know what I'm saying? Let them know that your boy, Boy KT, is real out here trying these products, putting in work. I'm trying to make it easy for y'all. Now, I'm about to drive the vehicle, take it around the block a little bit. We're gonna check the wheels out, see what they hitting for. All right, as you see, your boy is driving the car right now, you know what I'm saying? We're about to do some stopping and going, you know what I'm saying, which causes brake dust to build up. Like I say, I'm just leaving the scene now. So like I say, it don't take long for the brake dust and grime to set on your wheels and make you frustrated and mad after you done wash the car. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to just turn a couple corners. But like I was saying, the Amor All ceramic plus ceramic wheel cleaner, like I said, the reason it's the best because it's a 2-in-1, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to go buy 2 different products to get an end result. But then I know most of the time, most of you guys just use a wheel cleaner and then y'all be done. But you know what I'm saying? That's cool and all, but like I say, once you drive off or like the next day or so, you got brake dust and grime everywhere, you know what I'm saying? It just doesn't get the job done. So then you go add the repellent like I was showing you for Amor All, just the repellent by itself on top of the wheel cleaner. Then, yeah, it does a better job. But the reason the Amor All ceramic plus wheel cleaner is better is because it's like temporary ceramic coating your wheels, you know what I'm saying? It's just like doing a ceramic coat on the car, but you're just doing it on the wheels, you know what I'm saying? It's temporary, like I said. About a month or so, you can rock with it, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you don't drive that often. Then when you come back and wash the car, you don't have to do that long process of adding a ceramic cleaner. You can just hit it with the wheel cleaner, spray it on, bam, 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 hit it with the water again, hey, and be done with it, wipe it down with a towel. that's what I like about the product. You don't have to apply it every time you wash your car, which is a good thing. And also, like I said, you don't have to buy 2 products. You know what I'm saying? One might cost 10, the other might cost 10. That's 20 bucks. You can go buy the Amor ceramic plus wheel cleaner, and it's just what, 8-9 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So you're saving yourself like $12 to $15. You know what I'm saying? Well, about $11 to $12, somewhere in there. You're saying about $11 to $12 at a time. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to go keep buying 2 products to get one end result plus some. You know what I'm saying? Because you all want the finish on your wheels. Yeah, we want the brake dust to go away, at least for a longer period of time. And then also, you know what I'm saying, you want your wheels to pop. So that's why the ceramic plus wheel cleaner is the better buy and the better value. So, yeah, we just driving around right now. So I'm gonna finish driving around. We're gonna come to a stop here in a second, and we're gonna check out the wheels and see what type of brake dust or grime we have on there, if it's any. So give your boy a second. All right, you guys, after driving about 15 or 20 minutes, I stopped in one of these neighborhoods down the way. Actually has a pretty cool spotlight, so you know, I hope this reflects pretty good off the camera. So pretty much, we're about to take a look at these wheels. Like I say, when you look at them, you might not be able to see them too well, but I'm just gonna put my hand in there, rub, nothing. Look at that, no brake dust. Rub the face of the wheels, nothing. Let's come to the back here. As you can see, right here, rub. No brake dust. Look at that. No brake dust whatsoever. Rub it on the face of it. No brake dust. So there you go, you guys. It works wonders. So make sure that you, like I say, you tag me, tag Amor if you want to. Maybe your boy can get a sponsorship or, you know, a part of one. You know, hey, we try to make something work. That's 2021, man. We trying to go up. So if you like the product, make sure you guys try it out. If you like it, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, tag me, that way I can see what you guys got going. Also, you can leave comments on this video as well on my social media. Let me know what you think about the product. How did it work for you? And pretty much, KOYOTEPACK, y'all know how we do it. Oh, hey man, it's 2021. So we already up one. So now it's time to get it. Let's go. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more in the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.